Hey everyone, Techni here, and I just gotta say thank you so much for 10,000 subs. Like, holy smokes, I never ever would have even imagined or thought this was possible. And we haven't even been at this for a year yet. What are we at, like, I don't know, maybe 9 months or something like that. Again, through my first video, just kind of posted, just to post. And then when I seriously got into it, I think we're probably around, I don't know, give or take 9 months, something right around there, I'd say, and I never imagined, number one, being at 10,000, but even on top of that, being at 10,000 this quick, I don't know if it's quick, it feels quick, but all thanks to you guys. Like, seriously, thank you so much. It's incredibly amazing. I can't even talk here. I'm just going in massive circles. It's just, wow, it's just, thank you so much. And one other thing I want to just chime in on here, as y'all just saw with my review the other day on the G-Wolves mouse, I just kind of want to update you guys about the situation. As you can tell, I'm moving here. My setup's just kind of like plopped here right now. I don't know, it's working, you know what I mean? But anyways, we got some painters coming and all this stuff. The sound is real bad, real echoey. We have so many boxes. It's a mess. My son just started kindergarten, box all over the house. My dogs are stressed out. The 2 Dobermans pooping on the floor. I mean, it is crazy. It is absolutely crazy. You know what I mean? But hey, we're making it happen. But what I want to do here, kind of just let you guys know. Again, I have some pre-made videos from my previous house right there. So some of them might look, kind of bounce back and forth a little bit. But again, it's just because I had so many built up. But I just love making these videos so much. I just want to make new ones. You know what I mean? Sure, if I got a backlog in there, it's like, okay, they're there. But I want to make new ones. You know what I mean? So anyways, just kind of be aware of that. You see 2 different backgrounds and whatnot. The other thing, well, where am I going? I'm lost. I'm still wrapped up in 10,000 subs here. You know what I mean? Wow, it's so crazy. It really is. The other thing I wanted to talk about, what was it? All right. So the next thing I wanted to talk about was the 10,000 subscriber celebration video. I'm not going to make like a real big one, kind of like we did with the 5,000 or 1,000, just mainly because I'm moving, unpacking, and we still got so much to do, painters coming in and stuff, so I don't want to, push it out too far. I figured, let's go on and do it just like this. I don't want you guys to have to wait, And of course the 5,000 one was really big with a whole bunch of stuff, because that was a lot of leftover stuff from the 1,000 subscriber one, but we have some really cool stuff here again. But again, I just want to let you know that it's not going to be this big video. The next one will be, but again, I just didn't want to have to push it out and make you guys wait until I get set up around here, because honestly, I'm probably still at least 2 to 3 weeks out to having this house hopefully set up. I'm hoping 2 to 3 weeks. Oh, geez, if it's longer, yeah. But anyways, we got some cool stuff. Let me show you what we have. First off, we have a few things. Oh, let me just bend down here. A few things left over from the, the 5,000 subscriber one. It was Starlink, PlayStation, and then 2 Mirror's Edge games right there. Let me clear off some space. Oh, yeah, it's so messy. Again, I'm so unorganized here right now. But anyways, we got some other cool stuff. What do we have over here? Of course, we have t-shirts. I have a whole bunch. I've ordered a whole bunch of them, and we're sticking to this design right now. I have large, medium, extra large right there. So we'll be doing some t-shirts as well. So I'll throw those right there. Now we have some of these guys too. Some Rival 310s. Did you guys just see that down there? Some Rival 310s. Wait, hold on. We have a few more. We have 3 Rival 310s. As you can see right here, it's the PUBG one. I haven't even opened these. I don't even know what these look like. These are all brand new. Like, I'm really curious to see what that PUBG is. I wonder if one of the winners would mind if I open it up just to see what it looks like. Anyways, we have 3 Rival 310s here. You might be wondering, like, dude, why PUBG? Are you a big PUBG fan? I love PUBG. It's a very fun game. I really do like it. But, honestly, the PUBG one was $5 less than the regular one. So, hey, we gotta save money where we can, right? So anyways, we have 3 of those right here. And then we have the Durgod Hades keyboard that we just recently reviewed. This guy over here. By the way, check out the keycaps I put on that if you can see. Black, white, and red. Really cool Dope Shot PBTs right there. If you haven't seen the review on this keyboard, you need to go check it out. This is hands down my favorite keyboard I have tested yet. I love it on my desk. It feels great. It sounds great. It's hands down worth every single penny. Yeah, the price is a little bit up there, range around 100 to 130. I'm getting into a review about this keyboard. I'm supposed to be talking about 10,000 celebration, right? But anyway, seriously, check this video out. I'll leave it right down in the description of this video because I recommend it that much. It is that good. So anyway, let's go on and stack that up there while it all probably falls down, spills my coffee and everything. So anyways, that's what we have right there. The Durgod Hades was not part of this. It was initially going to just end on September, which we're right there anyways. But again, please accept my apologies here. I'm just trying to make it a little bit easier so it kind of flows. It's not going to be like last time where it's bam, all done in 1 week. It's going to kind of be like I'll do one here and then one there and one there because I don't have my shipping set up. I think I just recently set up my P.O. box, which, by the way, I will have posted in my About tab, so I'll have an address posted there. So if you want, I don't know, fan mail, I don't know how any of that works, but anyways, I'll have a P.O. box there right now. Definitely join up into the Discord, follow me on Twitter. All those are in the About tab as well, or right in the banner right there. And that's how this is going to work. It's going to be through Discord, Twitter, and YouTube, the community section right there. And again, I'll just post one just kind of randomly. It's not going to be like a whole weekend deal like we did last time, because again, it's going to be very hard for me to get to the post office, get everything packed. But we are going to do every single giveaway here. Just might be drawn out just a little bit longer so I can pack one and get to the post office and actually get it out there. You know what I mean? I don't like making people have to wait super long for their thing, or for their prize right there. So again, I apologize for any confusion or any delay with any of this. Again, it's just really hard with the transition right now, but I didn't want to push it out too long and make you guys wait. But again, the main point of this video is just me coming here saying thank you so much for the 10,000 subs. I highly appreciate it. Like, none of this is possible without you guys, and I truly mean that. I know you can just say that all day long, but again, any YouTuber, anything kind of entertainment or anything like that, it's truly not possible without you guys. Sure, I can make videos here all day long, but the best part is honestly interacting and sharing the same passion with these tech products with you guys. That's honestly the heart of it, and you guys really drive it. So seriously, thank you so very much. Hopefully many more to come. You guys tell me what the next milestone should be. I was thinking like 20,000. Is that kind of shooting way off in the distance? I don't know. That's kind of what I was thinking, 20,000. So I can kind of get settled in here and kind of be on a good par. But you guys let me know what you guys think. Someone out there's going to say, hey, how about we do 11,000? But anyways, thank you so much. I highly appreciate it. I hope I catch you in the next one. Bye now.